In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a secure AI Telegram bot with OpenAI and Perplexity. We're going to create a Telegram bot that listens for messages, checks who's talking, thinks with an AI agent powered by GPT-4o Mini, performs real-time research with Perplexity tools, remembers context per chat, and sends the answer right back in Telegram. Let's walk through each piece so it's clear and reliable. Start by adding a Telegram trigger node. Connect it to your Telegram bot token, and set the event to message. This lets the workflow wake up anytime someone sends a message to your bot, so users can interact naturally inside Telegram. If your bot is new, make sure it's set up and the token is valid before you continue. Next, add a filter node to control access. Configure the condition so a json.message.from.id equals your Telegram's ID. Replace your Telegram ID with your personal Telegram user ID. This is essential to keep strangers from hitting your AI workflow. If you plan to expand later, you can broaden this to a list, but start with your own ID to lock things down. Now, add an AI agent node. This is the brain of your bot. It combines the OpenAI language model, Perplexity research tools, and conversation memory to decide how to respond. For the input, pass the user's text by setting it to json.chatinput, json.message.text. That way, the agent receives exactly what was typed in Telegram as the prompt. Connect an OpenAI chat model node and choose GPT-4o Mini. This model is fast, cost-effective, and dependable for agent-style reasoning. Make sure your OpenAI credentials are configured securely in your environment. You don't need to expose any keys in the workflow itself. Add a window buffer memory node and set the session key to json.message.chat.id. This gives each Telegram chat its own memory, enabling multi-turn conversations where the bot remembers what was said earlier without mixing up different users or threads. For real-time research, add the Perplexity Sonar tool. It's great for quick fact lookups, definitions, news summaries, and concise explanations. Then add Perplexity Sonar Pro with the model set to Sonar Pro. This handles deeper tasks like market and competitor research, academic queries, or summarizing large documents. The AI agent will automatically choose between Sonar and Sonar Pro based on the query's complexity. Finally, add a Telegram node set to send message and map the text to json.output. That sends the AI-generated response back to the user in Telegram. With this flow, messages enter via Telegram trigger, pass the security filter, get processed by the AI agent with GPT-4o Mini, memory, and Perplexity tools, and return to Telegram as a polished reply.